Hey everyone, so here is my homepage for my Our Dynamic Weather lecture and lab. So, as we've seen in several screenshots, here's my lovely photo from last August when we had that crazy lightning storm. But you can see here how I say, welcome to our class, that I'm glad you're here. That was a fun little addition to that. And then I go through and say start here. So this is where we begin. I could maybe even make that a little bit larger perhaps. iLearn is really wonky where I can't embed a video like you can in Canvas into modules. So I have a link here to the welcome video that is in the Liquid syllabus. And I actually modified my paragraph here a little bit from before. I more so say that each section is set up per week, and that I tell you what you have to do in terms of assignments and what the readings are. Any and all resources will be posted here. That it's a synchronous hybrid, meaning that I will hold lecture via Zoom, and then I highly encourage to attend class. The more you interact, the more you understand, and also it'll give you a chance to get to know me and your fellow classmates more. And then I also have how to get in touch with me. I have my links to my virtual office hours. I also added that there's no passcode and that it's not recorded. The not recorded part I thought was a really important thing to add. And then I have where announcements will be. I think I'll also put the Q&A discussion board here. And then I haven't uploaded my current schedule or syllabus yet. I'm still waiting for potential adding a section. And then any other links that they want. And then I go through and have my Zoom resources. And then we pretty much begin the space. And I think that's all I had to say with that. All right, thanks so much.